Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. You're watching 412 PSE Customs here on YouTube. So, today's video, I just wanted to talk about another service that we offer here at the shop. As everyone knows, we are a family and first responder owned and operated small mom and pop shop here out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So we offer a lot of services that other organizations don't. So a lot of the more current industry leading equipment can get somewhat complicated, and not everybody is tech savvy, and not everybody has the ability to understand the programming and how to set things up. So just like the custom dash light and stick light kits that we offer our customers, we can also program LED surface mounts in kits and pairs, quads, whatever your needs are, we can do so. So for example, what we have in front of us is a special order set of SoundOff signal mPower 4x2s in a tricolor configuration, amber, green, white, screw mount. Now, one thing I did want to mention before we move on with this is the addition of the retention clips for the 4x2s that SoundOff is now including in every one of these. They throw a couple extras in, and there is one on the fixtures whenever you receive them. I urge you guys, do not throw these away. These help hold the plug into the back of the light, and a lot of times these lights outlive the vehicles that they are originally installed in, so those can come in handy down the line if you choose to uninstall and reinstall in a different vehicle. Just trust me, you're going to want to hold on to them. Okay, so the set that we have in front of us today is programmed and set up to synchronize in an alternating pattern, which means back and forth between lights in like a wig-wag pattern. The flash setting is a customer-specific pattern, and then we have the work light override steady burn white also programmed into this. Now, these are being delivered with just blunt cut wire leads, because the mechanic for this this company is going to install these himself on different vehicles, so that works for them. We do offer weatherproof connectors with these also as an option. Do keep in mind that when we set these kits up, there is a fee for our shop labor and programming time, the time that it takes our technicians to set these up. So I just wanted to fire this thing up and show you these lights. Obviously these things are crazy bright, as we all know. This being one of those color configurations that isn't necessarily industry standard. These are going to a customer out in Ohio, and they use the color combination for their construction vehicles, mainly on the turnpike. And as I said, also we have these set up to steady burn override for a work light for them. We have quite a few sets of the 4x2s and the regular 4-inch service mount, screw mount fascia lights going out to this customer, which I will throw a set of them in here and fire them up for you here right now. Okay, so now with the magic of editing, here we have the other custom kits that we are sending off with those mPower 4x2s. These are the normal run-of-the-mill mPower screw mount 4-inch fascia light. These are also tricolor amber, green, white, and we have them set up to flash the same morning pattern as the 4x2s, as you can see, and also to steady burn override the white as a work light. Now, when you guys receive these kits are set and ready to go. Very simple instructions that we include. We include all the mounting hardware. We include the extra retention clips, obviously, that come with the 4x2s now. And like I said, our step-by-step installation instructions and wiring instructions make it absolutely easy as pie for you to take these custom kits and install them on your own, either by hardwiring them the way these are going to be hardwired, or, you know, with our weatherproof plugs that we offer. You know, it's a very simple way to have everything done, programmed, and ready to go when you receive your equipment. Makes it so simple for you guys that aren't so tech savvy or DIY savvy as far as those aspects go. So if this is something you're interested in, definitely give our sales staff a call or shoot us an email. I do apologize with this COVID stuff going on, and being understaffed. Things are a little bit crazy. Bear with us. Sometimes to email us is a better way to get a hold of us, because as a small business and with the staffing issues that we're facing with the COVID thing, we don't have a, you know, a bank full of people that are sitting around just answering phones. So definitely do reach out. We value each customer, and we will absolutely get back to you as soon as possible. If this is something that you're interested in, definitely reach out. If you like this video, shoot us a thumbs up. Lets us know we're doing things right. If you haven't decided yet to subscribe to the channel, we ask that you do subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on any uploads. We hope to soon get our cameras out in the shop and shooting some video out there, if we can figure out a way to staff a film crew, I guess, is what our issue is right now. Or we were thinking about maybe even putting up a live feed for our business hours, so you guys can check us out and see what's going on in the shop at any given time if you want. Until next time, guys, please be kind to one another. Be safe out there and stay healthy.